Can you see him?
I can see him. He's huge. It's the biggest fish you've ever caught.
Whoa, I saw eyes.
There he is. Oh,
That got him.
there he is.
That was him.
You better get closer to the water. Oh, hang on. You better not let him pull you in.
Mom, you do it.
You gotta do it. You caught him.
You're the one that caught him first.
Okay. Hold on.
Sure, Dad.
Well, do you want to see him? Oh. Oh my goodness. There he is. He's like huge.
This is the biggest fish I ever caught.
I know. Here, let me see it. Look at him. Holy cow.
Oh my